Please make sure that plus, subject plus verb. Please make sure that the TV is off. Please make sure that the dog is fed. Please make sure that your hat is on. Please make sure that the TV is muted. Please make sure that the oven is off. Please make sure that the stove is off. Please make sure that your hair is dry. Please make sure that your socks match. Please make sure that you have your ID. Please make sure that you lock the car. Please make sure that the alarm is set. Please make sure that the heater is on. Please make sure that the printer is on. Please make sure that your phone is off. Please make sure that your alarm is set. Please make sure that the lights are on. Please make sure that the car is parked. Please make sure that the heater is off. Please make sure that the heater is off. Please make sure that the cat is inside. Please make sure that the printer is off. Please make sure that you have your keys. Please make sure that the lights are off. Please make sure that your bag is zipped. Please make sure that your bag is packed. Please make sure that your email is sent. Please make sure that your shoes are off. Please make sure that your car is fueled. Please make sure that you have your mask. Please make sure that the door is closed. Please make sure that your bag is packed. Please make sure that your bag is secure. Please make sure that your shoes are off. Please make sure that the laundry is done. Please make sure that your shoes are tied. Please make sure that your shoes are tied. Please make sure that your bike is locked. Please make sure that your lunch is eaten. Please make sure that the AC is turned off. Please make sure that the TV is turned off. Please make sure that the fridge is closed. Please make sure that you have your wallet. Please make sure that your coat is hung up. Please make sure that you have your jacket. Please make sure that your shoes are clean. Please make sure that your hair is brushed. Please make sure that your lunch is packed. Please make sure that the coffee is brewed. Please make sure that the windows are open. Please make sure that the toilet is flushed. Please make sure that the dishes are washed. Please make sure that your phone is charged. Please make sure that the mail is collected. Please make sure that the AC is turned down. Please make sure that the fridge is stocked. Please make sure that the curtains are open. Please make sure that your phone is updated. Please make sure that the coffee pot is off. Please make sure that the oven is preheated. Please make sure that the blinds are closed. Please make sure that your seat is adjusted. Please make sure that the dishes are rinsed. Please make sure that your jacket is zipped. Please make sure that the plants are pruned. Please make sure that your jacket is hung up. Please make sure that the plants are watered. Please make sure that the alarm is turned on. Please make sure that the windows are closed. Please make sure that your bag is beside you. Please make sure that the remote is put away. Please make sure that the plants are watered. Please make sure that the trash is taken out. Please make sure that you have your umbrella. Please make sure that the curtains are drawn. Please make sure that the dishwasher is empty. Please make sure that the dishes are put away. Please make sure that the fridge is defrosted. Please make sure that your password is secure. Please make sure that your phone is on charge. Please make sure that the stove is turned off. Please make sure that your phone is on vibrate. Please make sure that you've closed the blinds. Please make sure that your computer is charged. Please make sure that your phone is in your bag. Please make sure that the charger is plugged in. Please make sure that your umbrella is in reach. Please make sure that the computer is shut down. Please make sure that your homework is complete. Please make sure that you've turned off the tap. Please make sure that your seatbelt is fastened. Please make sure that you've locked the windows. Please make sure that the dishwasher is running. Please make sure that your homework is handed in. Please make sure that your computer is shut down. Please make sure that your keys are in your pocket. Please make sure that your wallet is in your pocket.